Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called The Truman Show. It is a comedy and a drama from the United States. The film is from 1998. The Truman Show is a story about one man. He lives in a small town. But his life is not real. It is a big TV show. The main character is Truman. He is a normal man. He has a job. He has a wife. He lives in a nice town. But Truman does not know one thing. His town is a big studio. All people around him are actors. His life is a TV show. Millions of people watch him every day. One day, Truman sees something strange. A light falls from the sky. A man says his name, but he is not in the show. Truman starts to think. He asks many questions. He wants to leave the town. He wants to see the real world. The boss of the show does not want this. He wants Truman to stay. But Truman tries to go. He goes to the sea. He finds a big wall. Behind the wall, there are cameras and people. In the end, Truman says, "I want to go." He opens a door. He goes to the real world. He is free. Opinion and recommendation. I like this film because it is interesting and clever. It is funny but also deep. It is about freedom and truth. It is a good film for thinking. Outro. Today we learned some words. Town, show, actor, real, world, free, truth. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.